XRP's price analysis indicates a massive pump for this asset. It's about to break the daily resistance. The price movements for XRP hint about a possible bullish price action. Although trading at $1.07, a 25% drop from its previous week's price, the chart trends are coming in strong as the bulls are preparing to break the daily resistance. It's no longer a question of if, but what happens when XRP does make it out of its current daily resistance to cross over the $1.07 price marker. Based on historical findings, some say there's no stopping XRP from reaching the $2 mark. Others believe that we're still a long shot away from the $2 marker, with the argument that there are no less than 5 significant resistances to surpass before that. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. One of the most significant support zones for XRP, which we all thought of as strong resistance, and one of the most effective support levels that XRP has clung to for a while now, is that of the $1.07 support zone. XRP must hold its price above this support level to avoid a massive crash. According to the positive trend from the previous day, XRP has continued with its weeks-long bullish momentum, which was later suspended by colossal selling pressure. As such, the prices across this digital asset class will decrease significantly to lower levels when the daily price analysis chart comes up. Right now, the bulls are looking to carve out newer strategies to outsmart the bears via an aggressive strike towards disrupting the negative narrative entailed by the bears. Indeed, a clash of the titans, as the bulls have amassed in large numbers to champion an upward surge that would establish solid support to reverse the ongoing bearish movement. On the 24-hour chart, we've got XRP's price showing signs of rising within the next day or two. With its current price pegged at a little under $1, XRP still maintains an 11% dip over the last 24 hours. Considering the chart's trend and based on historical findings, we're just about in the same position as we were from 5 months ago. XRP's price analysis shows that the digital asset has regained a little following the recent flash crash that had hit the entire crypto industry. Trading at below the $1.07 primary resistance level, this altcoin has hit some significant lows, as it registers a 12% decrease on the 7-day chart alongside an 11% dip on the daily chart. Long before the flash crash and right before XRP started to enter into the corrective movement that preceded it, we could see a similar trend from months back, which had the price corrections that held around the $0.07 level marked by point A to the point labeled D, indicating that the $0.07 was a psychologically significant marker for this coin. The flash crash had indeed added more salt to XRP's wounds. However, if we're to look at the bright side, this has provided a perfect buying opportunity to stack up more and wait for the big wins by the end of the year. The price analysis for XRP from the perspective of a daily candlestick hints of a bearish crossover, similar to that of the overall market trend. This trend is similar to the trends predicted by chart analysis for other cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. With these dwindling price actions in such short notice and over the last 24 hours comes the price of increased volatility, yet still on the lower margin compared to the trend from the past few days. The upper Bollinger Band is also found at the portion marked by $1.36, indicating the most vigorous resistance at that point. At the same time, the lower Bollinger Band resides somewhere around the $1.03 price and presents the most substantial support margin at that point. Similarly, the 9-day moving average and the Bollinger Band's average bear the markings of a bearish intersection, similar to that of other more significant coins. This moving average is situated at the $1.23 price marker, whereas the Bollinger Band standard is around the $1.20 mark. In comparison, the relative strength index registers at the 44.92 mark, which indicates an increased buying opportunity as the bulls can build upon the bearish momentum through minimal yet consistent buying trends. The 4-hour candlestick for XRP's price analysis indicates the price actions are mostly bearish, just as we can see on the shorter time frame. Even more interesting is that the 4-hour chart bears an even more bearish indicator than the 1-day chart. In the same token, the price volatility has increased multiple times compared to the previous week. Our long-standing ethos is always to provide our viewers with the latest trends and events within the XRP community, and even beyond the cryptocurrency space. Considering the several complexities and misinformation that have plagued the industry, we on this channel pride ourselves on serving a simplified yet detailed point of view about crypto success and how this new financial system can be of more profit to the unbanked, underserved global citizenry. Allow me to introduce you guys to the GSX coin, a digital asset made and distributed by a fintech startup just like Ripple and its native asset. The Apollo fintech company, the primary custodian of the gold-secured currency, or GSX coin for short, has developed a digital asset platform with an asset backing similar to that of a stablecoin, yet combines the best elements of your everyday cryptocurrency into one secure coin, the GSX coin. Check out the links in the description now to find out more about the GSX platform for yourself. Given XRP's current trend, we can confidently assert that the average price for both Bollinger Bands, in addition to the 9-day moving average, are found above the current price, as a direct indication of a bearish crossover on the charts. Based on last week's analysis, the Bollinger average was well placed at the $1.26 mark. In contrast, the 9-day moving average for last week was found at the $1.21 price marker. Similarly, the relative strength index at that point on forward was oversold, all thanks to the bearish narrative, to register its mark at 28.61, based on last week's analysis. In conclusion, XRP's price movement has to be overcome by the bulls, seeing as the digital asset has been struck by the recent flash crash like every other cryptocurrency across the board. In the interim, while we wait for those significant swings to the upside, the altcoin still struggles to maintain its current support level, as the prices are fluctuating between the $1.87 price marker at the time of recording, due to the bearish momentum. If the current support levels continue to hold for longer, we could see XRP gaining bullish momentum shortly. However, if the prices go below the current support margin, this digital asset is likely to dip further below the $1 mark. Should Ripple fail in breaking through the exponential moving average, the next trend we expect is the advancement of a bullish momentum during the early trading hours, resulting in a head and shoulders formation. A trend we've witnessed before, even though it eventually got displaced by a declining wedge pattern activated by the bears to reach an intraday low to the current significant resistance level at $1.07. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood car set.